everybody, today I got some new squishies from Morning Glory. So the first squishy I will show you is this Rilakkuma bread loaf, and this is the reproduced one, and it's so soft and squishy. It has some chocolate dipping on the ear. Next squishy is this capybara-san cookie cat, and it's super cute and squishy, and this is also the reproduced one. Next I have this little cute little bun, and it's super soft and super squishy. So this is my little bun squishy, and it's super squishy and very slow rising. Go. And these are the tags. This orange tag is the capybara-san for this squishy. The next one is this Rilakkuma drinking some lemonade, and this is for the Rilakkuma bread loaf. And this bun doesn't have a little picture on its chain, so it's just by itself. So these are all the squishies I got from Morning Glory, and they're really cute and super squishy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!